there's a way of also grouping form elements and control, how to group them. Okay, how to group them. Let's say a contact form, okay, a sign up form, a login form. You see, the basic information, the additional information. You can group form elements by also writing the code for it on the, so it will appear on the website. So when you go to the contact form, any information you are going to give is how we are going to reach out to you. Okay, that is what the contact form. If you are also giving the basic information form, you give. If it's a health information, so you create those groupings, okay, so that almost every element around that area belongs to the same particular group. Okay, now how do we do those groupings? Okay, we do those groupings by using the field set. You use the field set element, and inside the field set element comes the legend. The legend is just trying to tell you what information is being required, what's the name of the form or the name of the group, kind of. So here we are looking for an email. We did labeling in the previous lesson. We're looking for what? Email. We break the line, we take a text, okay, and name it what? Email. We break the line here, come to mobile. We are accepting what? Text, and then we take it as our mobile number. We break the line again, come to telephone, and then submit it as what? Telephone. Okay, and we close the what? The field set. Let's try view this on our browser. Let me scroll down so you can see contact details. The line you see around most browsers, okay, put a line around the form. So this is our email. We enter it, our mobile, and our telephone. All these ones are about contact what? Details, so that we'll be able to reach out to you in case we want you. Let's say it's an online job application form, and you are asked to leave your contact details. Okay, so we can group those ones as your contact details, okay, to be able to what? Reach out to you easily. That's the field set element. And then the legend is just used to describe the name of the what? The group, kind of. These groupings are important if you are filling a very long form. If the form is a lengthy form, you would like to what? Segregate them into groups, okay, that are related to each other.